Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to take screenshot in laptop. If there any sort of landing page, interface or anything you want to take a screenshot of, I'll show you how it could be possible. So today I'm going to use a tool called snipping tool. It is by default installed in every PC, but if you don't have it, then I'll show you how you can get it. For that, you have to open the Microsoft Store and there you have to search for snipping tool. Once you search for snipping tool, then you will get to its page. From there you can install it. It is totally free. You can just simply install it, and once you have it you will be able to use it. If you have searched for it and you already have it, then that's great. You have to simply click onto its icon and open it. When it's get open, you will see this plus icon and this new option. You have to click onto it and then you will be able to capture the screen. Basically, it is not necessary to capture the whole screen. You can select any specific part and you can take screenshot. So what I have to do is I just have to simply do that, like put my mouse at a place and move it, and then once I leave the click button, the screenshot will be taken. Then you can save it from that option and place it anywhere you would like to. If you want to take another one, click on new and then you just have to simply grab the screen, and after that it will capture that part. Then you can save it, and there are other options as well, like you can highlight and do some other editing stuff. So that's it. This is how you can take screenshot in laptop or PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.